Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition of is used in various contexts to indicate position, origin, content, relationship, cause, etc. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition of indicating possession is used to show ownership or possession of something. Preposition of is used to show ownership or possession of something. The tail of the cat is fluffy. The tail of the cat is fluffy. The pages of the book were torn. The pages of the book were torn. The keys of the house are on the table. The keys of the house are on the table. The car of my brother is parked outside. The car of my brother is parked outside. The concept of democracy has ancient roots. The concept of democracy has ancient roots. 2. Preposition of indicating belonging or association is used to denote belonging or association with a group or category. Preposition of is used to denote belonging or association with a group or category. The capital of France is Paris. The capital of France is Paris. Chocolate is the best of the flavors. Chocolate is the best of the flavors. The leader of the team is experienced. The leader of the team is experienced. The color of the flag is red, white, and blue. The color of the flag is red, white, and blue. The president of the company announced the decision. The president of the company announced the decision. 3. Preposition of indicating origin or source is used to express where something comes from or originated. Preposition of is used to express where something comes from or originated. The music reminds me of the 80s. The music reminds me of the 80s. The keys he is holding are of my car. The keys he is holding are of my car. The story is of ancient Greek mythology. The story is of ancient Greek mythology. The painting is a masterpiece of Picasso. The painting is a masterpiece of Picasso. The landscape reminded her of her hometown. The landscape reminded her of her hometown. 4. Preposition of indicating content or components is used to describe what something consists of. Preposition of is used to describe what something consists of. The bag is full of toys. The bag is full of toys. The basket is full of fruits. The basket is full of fruits. A cup of coffee is on the table. A cup of coffee is on the table. The presentation is composed of slides. The presentation is composed of slides. The painting is a masterpiece of oil on canvas. The painting is a masterpiece of oil on canvas. 5. Preposition of indicating material or substance is used to specify the material or substance something is made of. Preposition of is used to specify the material or substance something is made of. The box is made of wood. The box is made of wood. The wall is built of concrete. The wall is built of concrete. The cup is made of ceramic. The cup is made of ceramic. The dress was crafted of silk. The dress was crafted of silk. The statue is made of bronze. The statue is made of bronze. 6. Preposition of indicating relationship or connection is used to show a connection or relationship between two things. Preposition of is used to show a connection or relationship between two things. The bond of friendship is unbreakable. The bond of friendship is unbreakable. The treaty signifies the unity of nations. The treaty signifies the unity of nations. The map depicts the geography of the region. The map depicts the geography of the region. The story revolves around the rivalry of arch enemies. The story revolves around the rivalry of arch enemies. Dogs and humans share a relationship of unconditional love. Dogs and humans share a relationship of unconditional love. 7. Preposition of indicating cause or reason is used to express the cause or reason behind something. Preposition of is used to express the cause or reason behind something. The result of hard work is success. The result of hard work is success. The consequence of negligence is failure. The consequence of negligence is failure. The delay is a result of unexpected traffic. The delay is a result of unexpected traffic. The decision was made because of the urgency. The decision was made because of the urgency. The sound is an indication of the presence of thunder. The sound is an indication of the presence of thunder. 8. Preposition of indicating characteristic or qualities is used to describe the characteristics or qualities of something. Preposition of is used to describe the characteristics or qualities of something. The taste of the dish is spicy. The taste of the dish is spicy. The aroma of the flowers is delightful. The aroma of the flowers is delightful. The smell of fresh coffee filled the room. The smell of fresh coffee filled the room. The sound of laughter echoed in the room. The sound of laughter echoed in the room. The color of the sky at sunset is breathtaking. The color of the sky at sunset is breathtaking. 9. Preposition of indicating measurement or amount is used to denote measurement or quantity. Preposition of is used to denote measurement or quantity. The length of the river is unknown. The length of the river is unknown. The speed of the car was alarming. The speed of the car was alarming. The duration of the movie is 2 hours. The duration of the movie is 2 hours. The height of the mountain is impressive. The height of the mountain is impressive. The weight of the package is 5 kilograms. The weight of the package is 5 kilograms. 10. Preposition of indicating time or point in time is used to express a specific point in time or duration. Preposition of is used to express a specific point in time or duration. The festive event marks the end of summer. The festive event marks the end of summer. I have a new job from the start of next month. I have a new job from the start of next month. The meeting is scheduled for the end of the day. The meeting is scheduled for the end of the day. The festival is celebrated at the beginning of spring. The festival is celebrated at the beginning of spring. The project will be completed at the end of the month. The project will be completed at the end of the month. 11. Preposition of indicating a part or feature is used to highlight a specific part or feature of something. Preposition of is used to highlight a specific part or feature of something. The book consists of a series of short stories. The book consists of a series of short stories. The movie is a portrayal of the life of an artist. The movie is a portrayal of the life of an artist. The article speaks of the benefits of meditation. The article speaks of the benefits of meditation. The picture is a depiction of the beauty of nature. The picture is a depiction of the beauty of nature. The story is a retelling of the adventures of Sherlock Holmes. The story is a retelling of the adventures of Sherlock Holmes. 12. Preposition of as a part of common expressions and idioms is used in various idiomatic expressions and phrases. Preposition of is used in various idiomatic expressions and phrases. For example, a cup of tea. A cup of tea. The end of the line. The end of the line. The thrill of the chase. The thrill of the chase. The heart of the matter. The heart of the matter. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition of in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.